countdown has begun. 14 days and I am off to Fiji. Some Bulavanaka. That's right, I'm heading back to our property for a 2-week trip. I hope to take lots of video, take you along for the journey. We'll see you there. Here we are, tropical Fiji, palm trees in the background, blue skies. Okay, so I'm just in the backyard again, but hey, really looking forward to the trip. Vlogging camera tests are happening. That's right. Gotta get everything just right. Make sure everything's working smoothly. Oh my goodness gracious me. Who is this handsome young fella? That's right, my name's Jared. Sorry, this is Rowan.
Hi.
He's my son. And very talkative when he's not on camera.